Welcome to this positive affirmations meditation for athletes. As a sports practitioner myself, I often come to a point of self-doubt, demotivation, and sometimes frustration. All this negative thinking and emotions only serve to bring us more down and to a place that we really don't want to be. So instead, whenever you are on the verge of giving up, or set yourself on a negative spiral of thoughts and feelings, remind yourself that it's all a product of your mind. And those limitations you are creating, they start with your own mind. Having said this, it is important to look into work on your mind, using positive affirmations to reprogram the mind and thinking. And as I deeply believe, your body will achieve what your mind believes. I find great meaning and power in this phrase, and it sets a fundamental mindset and determination of your success. Find yourself a comfortable seated position, either on a chair, on a mat, cross-legged, however you feel is more comfortable for you today. Going through these affirmations, you can repeat them to yourself in silence or out loud, but make sure you believe and make sure you mean them. Invite now your eyes to close and just breathe here, gently in and out through your nose. Give yourself a couple moments here just to breathe and bring your awareness to your presence that you are about to start this positive affirmation meditation. Repeat to yourself after me. I respect and value my body and my mind. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. Anything is possible. I enjoy the journey and the training process. I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities, in my strength, and my willpower. I am highly motivated. I am proud of myself for all that I have achieved and where I stand today. Everyone around me supports me and wants to see me succeed. I am a winner and I am successful. I know I am capable of greater achievements. I am patient and I stay focused under pressure. I take any step back as an opportunity to improve and be even better. I will continue to work towards my dreams and goals and the best version of myself. I am capable of achieving my goals because I am determined, talented, and I am brave. I am a hard worker and my determination is seen and inspire others. I will always stand up for myself, try, and I will never give up. At your own pace, take a few moments if you need to absorb these affirmations. Bringing your attention back to the breathing, just let it be here for a few moments. Breathing in and out through the nose. if you'd like, take a few breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. I would like to thank you very much for listening, and I wish you a great rest of the day.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.